Hello
Hello
guys,
guys,
welcome
welcome
back to
back to
this
this
channel.
channel.
In
In
this
this
today's
today's
video,
video,
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
show
show you
you
how you can
how you
recreate
can
Jinu from
recreate Jinu
K-pop
from
Demon Hunter
K-pop Demon
and Dress to
Hunter
Impress
in
but not to
Dressed
be
to
ID.
Impress.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
get
get
into it
into it
guys. This
guys.
is
This
for
is for
Jinu's outfit
Jinu's
and I'm going to
outfit
show you
and
how
I'm
I
going
made
to
this
show you
one.
how I made this one. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle, make it black, and then you can do this adjustment. You can copy mine and this hairstyle, combine it with this one, make it black with no adjustment. And this earring, you're going to scale it down. And then you're going to go to the makeup selection and put on custom makeup. Alright, and for Jinu, you can follow my custom makeup. Okay, for the lips, just this one, and the contour, and the nose. I'm using the nose from the feminine makeup. So you can go to the feminine and then choose the nose category and choose this one. Okay, and the next one I'm going to put on the outfit. You're going to choose this jacket guys and then you're going to apply pattern. Let me show you the pattern, this one for the first selection, and for the second selection make it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to go to let me go back. I'm going to put on this belt, and for this belt I'm going to make it pink for the first selection, and then go to the jeans area and then you can put on this jeans. Okay, and then the last one we're going to put sneakers. Okay, sorry, you can put on this necklace first before the sneakers, and then you're going to put on the sneakers, and then I'm going to make it white, and then I'm going to make it pink as well. Okay, I'm going to apply the white color, and for the second selection make it this pink, and for the last selection make it pink. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!